Okay, on the RT4D, you're going to import a picture. Let me do this again. Let me go to my desktop. Let me find the photo. Just one I made up in photo editing program. You notice that there's a little square box right here. The square box is too big. The photo hangs over it. So what you're going to do is just sit here and click the minus button. Because if you go positive, it's going to enlarge it. But what you want your picture to do is to fit in that box. And once you get it fit in the box, then you're going to hit right. It's only going to take a couple seconds to write to the radio. And then let me turn my radio on and show you what you get. Okay, I have the RT4D shut off. Turn it on. There you go, you get the picture. I don't know if you can see that. It's very brief.
Mode 1.
Let me see if I can try it again. Let's try it with the camera on. Maybe, yep, there you go. You can see the picture a little bit better. Picture, my name, my location, and it's the United States. Too bad you're going to get a background image, something like that on there, you know? Maybe in a future update.